So we're waiting on parts to finish up the combine, so we're going to start servicing tractors. If I remember right, I already did a pretty in-depth service on tractors this spring, I'm pretty sure. I'm not going to do that again. We're just going to do okay. So I'm trying to set up a camera on the combine. Just magnet mounts to the back. That's going to be our reverse camera. And I'm wiring it up right now, trying to get it through this thing. So I got to run it from there up to the engine bay, across there, into the cab. So that's the challenge. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I got it run to over here, right there. Wrap it up, pull it tight. So the next point would be through that bracket. Just toss that. Goes through there. Across there. Should be a hole there. There we go. Okay. Then you can see the tape there. That's why I ran it previous years. So, probably do the same thing. So actually the next point, besides the tape, which I'll do later, I wrap it around, so that's all I gotta do. Run it past here. Ugh. Come on, freaking thing. Just stay. Oh, screw it. Okay. Behind this, I just gotta tape it down there. it looks like blue, it came apart. Black to black, there's the power. And must be this to the camera. You've got to be kidding me. There we go. So I just got to rewire these as they pulled out. And then should be good to go. Then I just got to run the wire through the back here and I just call it good. So I'm here underneath the tractor and I'm gonna work on changing some hydraulic filters. I already changed the one in the back. There's two of them on this tractor. The one in the back, couldn't really get a good angle at it to show you. But this one I think I can. So I'll show you how I do that. So the hydraulic system on each tractor run various things. On this one, well, I think all of the John Deere tractors, at least I'm sure every tractor, but I'm just familiar with John Deere. They run the transmission, so it's actually your transmission fluid, as well as the controls for any kind of whatever implement you're running, whether it be, you know, a ripper, field cultivator, grain cart, everything you hook up to the back of the tractor. It runs the up and downs, the unfolds. Like anything else, the filters get clogged and dirty. So you gotta change them up. These are actually pretty straightforward. Swap one on, swap one off. Without a cross thread, preferably. Okay, now that we got that taken off, we're gonna add about that much back in. We got to refill those filters, so I have to start this and then run it at 2100 RPMs for 5 minutes. Okay, been about 5 minutes. Turn it off, and then we have to wait and let it sit for an additional 5 minutes. Okay, there's a sight gauge right there. There's two marks. The top mark is here, right there. There's the bottom mark. And the fluid level is right in between, and that's where you want it. That is dandy. Okay, and the other one's in this hood. You can see it says add. So we're going to add, there's the full. So we do have to add some to this cap here. So I'm just going to add some to that and move on to the next thing. So the next job we're going to do is change these paddles on the very far ends right here. 40 foot-pounds of torque. Call that good. So what these paddles do, from my understanding, is create airflow, and that's what helps basically thrash it through this machine. It works alongside these paddles on the knives, and just an educated guess, I'd also say that it helps throw it out because it's got a nice wide lip on it, you know, weight, momentum moving backwards. last thing is we're gonna run this, test it out. Heck yeah, that's a job well done. Uh-oh. So I'm gonna try and adjust these on the bottom sides of the slots and see if that doesn't do it. And if it doesn't do it, then we either have wrong tube size, wrong auger size, or wrong bearing size. So I'm just gonna try and troubleshoot this, see if I can figure it out. If I just pulled on the tube and just slid out. What's making the nut come down? There's a knuckle down there where it grabs the gearbox. Yeah. And I'm thinking if we move the auger out towards me, it won't grab that gearbox so much. There. Just need to be adjusted. Walker! Come here. Come on. Come on, Walker. He's trying.